Hi all, welcome to my channel. These are my different types of pothos, which I have propagated all of them from a very small cutting, maybe just like one leaf or something. So I just gonna show you how many types and what types I have. I will explain a little bit. So these ones are the golden pothos. You can see these ones. They are mostly available and almost everybody has it in the house. This is the most common one. So it has like plain leaves and some variegation here and there. And actually, if you grow them outside, like I live in zone 7, I cannot grow outside. But if you live in warmer place, you can grow outside. Like in my parents' place, this is really big and the leaves are so huge. Yeah, it's very pretty. So you can grow them outside, but inside they are just like this. Small leaves and some variegation. This one actually I keep in pretty much shaded area, like doesn't get almost any light. So it doesn't have much variegation, but like this one doesn't get any light at all. I keep it in the little darker corner. So these ones are golden pothos. Now I come to this next one. This one you can see. This one is called global green pothos. It has like little light green shade and the darker green out there, like little pattern inside of lighter green, and then darker green outside. And I have read that this is the newest pothos. They have developed about 2 years ago actually. So this is hard to find, but I was lucky to find this one, and I had only got very small cutting, like hardly 2 or 3 leaves, and I propagated, and this is doing really well here. The next one, this one is called Marble Queen. You can see this has a lot of variegation here. This was actually in this shade before. It didn't get enough sunlight, or I give them indirect bright light. So this was in a pretty much not in the light, but now I have put them back in the light because I have another one which is in the light and that's doing really well. Here it is, the other one. So now this one has got a brighter spot in my house. So the leaves, the variegation, it's showing, right? Is like creamy white. It's not absolutely white. It's a creamy white, closer to white. So it's called Marble Queen. So it's doing really well also now. I got the variegation right here, pretty nice color. Now comes to this one. You can see the color of this one. This one is neon pothos because of the color. So actually they are variegated neon also. I'm looking for that one, and I'll get and add to my collection when I get it. The next one is very pretty and very hard to find, like very hard. I just saw it once and I got it, and then I gave to someone else also because she was also looking. I said, okay, there are only 2 stamps, 2 little cuttings. I give you one, and I had got one, and I propagated, and this is the one right here, beautiful one. This is called Enjoy. This is very pretty. This has like white outers right here, and the green right in the center. So it would be having white outer lines, kind of, sometimes in the center also, but it's a white, and there's no green when there is a white here, no green spot of any kind. I just told you because I'm going to tell you, show you another one, and that is the difference between those two. Like, so a little bit difference between the leaves also, but this one has white in darker green here, like this is darker green, and then light green and white here. And I'm going to show you another one which is very similar to this one before I show you this one. This is right next to it here. Now this one you can see is very much like the one I have showed you just now, right here. This one you can compare with this leaf right here, this leaf, and these ones are looking absolutely identical. Actually they are. Only difference they have that the color of this one is light green. The other one had darker green. This one has lighter green. In the white, they have some green in their white. This one did not have anything, no green at all in their white, but this one does. This one is called Pearls and Jade. So this one is Pearls and Jade, and this one is Enjoy. And between Pearls and Jade and Enjoy, there is another one in between. This is called Manjula. It's very pretty. The leaves are a little bit more like heart shape, bigger leaves, and this variegation is beautiful. This is Manjula. Now, right next to my Enjoy, I have this another one right here. This is very pretty also. It's actually, it's not really Pothos, but they count in a Pothos also. So yeah, it's kind of Pothos variety. I mean, they're different, but they are also Pothos. So this one is, you can see it's largely silver. So it's silver satin, this one. And I'm going to show you exactly the same, but that is different one. So this is silver satin, and when you come right here, it's very similar if you see both of them in one frame. This one right here and the other one right here, they're looking very similar. The leaves are bigger of this silver one, and these are a little smaller. They would be bigger also when it grows big. I just propagated this. I have in two parts, this one and this one. This is not as silver as this one is. This is a lot greener, and this one is called actually Silvery and Pothos. So again, it's not Pothos, but again they call it Pothos, right? So Silvery and Pothos, this one right here, these two parts, and I have propagated these ones also, so it's doing really well. Now comes to the beautiful one. This one is Snow Queen. It's looking very much similar to this one right now because of these new leaves. The one here you can see, these ones are new, so they're looking a little bit like creamish, but they will become white. And I have just propagated these ones very small. This part is really small. and when it grows it's going to be all white. So the difference between this and this is, like, this one is going to be largely white, very few little green, but this one will have more green. Like this one has more green right here, right? And this one will be white. It's very pretty, actually. It's going to be very, very pretty. Now when it comes to this one, I just had 3 little leaves and I am propagating this one. So those leaves didn't do that well, but I'm seeing the shoot right here is there, one of the shoot right here. And this is actually is called sterling silver, or treobi or something, you know, TREUBII, some name, I think, because it didn't have the name on the pot. So, but that's what it is actually. So once it comes up, it would be more clear what it is actually. Now, there is a creation going on right here by me. This is, I'm propagating these ones, and let's see how it comes up once I plant them. So these are looking very different than all others what I have showed you right here. This is different, this is different, this has the variegation, but quite a lot. So hopefully I would be able to do this one golden variegated pothos. So I think that's what I'm gonna propagate to. Hopefully I'll get it. So that's all from me. This many types of pothos I have got so far, and I would be collecting more whenever I'll see them. It's hard to find, but I keep finding once in a while, and I will add to my collection. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel if you like the information, if you like my videos, and I'll see you some other time. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.